Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's King Jones coming at you with another video today. And as you can see, I'm back in my Clickbank account. It's day 10 and day 11 of my $0 to $1,000 journey on Clickbank. And let's get right into it. Before we get started, though, subscribe to the channel if you're new to join me on this journey. And leave a like on this video if you enjoy it. And let's get right into it. So, day 10 was the 20th, December 20th, and I made 152.71. And day 11 is still Friday right now. It's 9:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where I'm at. But yeah, I made 152.23 so far. That might go up because I usually get sales at night, so that number might go up. So yeah. So so far, I'm gonna show you guys what I've done these last couple days. I can smell the $1,000 though. I can feel it coming. It's coming soon, very very soon. I'll probably do it within maybe the next 2 months. I give myself 2 months. I know it's coming though. I can smell it. But the 20th, I did 4 Instagram posts and 1 YouTube video. I've really been going kind of heavy on Instagram lately. I'm trying to see if that'll generate me more sales than YouTube, but I'm not sure yet. I'm just testing it out. But yeah, I promoted the YouTube video on Reddit and Facebook groups as always. And you just create a niche specific YouTube and Instagram account and just post daily content on there and provide value as well. And then you'll generate some sales. But the 21st, I did 4 Instagram posts and no YouTube video because as I just mentioned, I'm trying to go heavy on Instagram to see if I'll get more sales on Instagram or YouTube. And I was thinking, should I start a blog? I'm not sure if I should start a blog or not. But yeah, I was just thinking if I should start a blog because I know blogging makes money as well with affiliate marketing, but I'm not sure if that'll be worth my time because I know it takes a while to start earning money as a blogger as well. Probably like a couple months to a year, to be honest, because I don't know. I don't know. Let me know if I should start a blog in the comment section below. But yeah, that's what I've done these last couple of days. As you can see, let me refresh it. I haven't refreshed it yet. So you guys know it's legit. And I'll do it one more time. But yeah, I'll leave a link down below to the products I use. What the services I use to promote products is both of them have a free trial so you can check it out if you want. But that's all I have for today. Is day 10 and day 11 of my $0 to $1,000 in a day journey. And I'll see you guys on the next video.